This video will show you how to check out a group reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily check out a group reservation and print a checkout card. Let us see how. Right-click the group reservation you wish to check out. Click Checkout/Payment in the context menu that shows up. You are taken to the payment page of the group reservation. Click Generate Folio to generate Proforma invoices for charges listed in the account statement. Alternatively, you may also click Generate Now to generate Proforma invoices. Note: the invoices are generated as per pay terms selected. You may accept payments if there is a balance, using relevant modes of payment. Click Settle Folios. An alert appears to seek confirmation. Click OK to auto-settle all invoices. Now, lock the settled folios to finalize the invoices with invoice numbers. Note that the final invoice with valid invoice number is only available once a Proforma invoice is settled and locked. Also note, settled Proforma left unlocked gets locked automatically during Night Audit. Now click Checkout. The reservation is checked out. A checkout card is displayed with stay details or summary. Click Print to print the checkout card. The reservation is updated on the front desk, which is indicated by the change in color. This brings us to the end of the video on how to check out a group reservation.